In this video you will see how to install Windows Terminal on your Windows 10 operating system. Let's get started. You can install Windows Terminal from GitHub, Windows Package Manager and Microsoft Store. In this tutorial you will see how to install Windows Terminal from Microsoft Store. In order to install it you need to search Windows Terminal in Store app. In search results you will see Windows Terminal and Windows Terminal Preview. Windows Terminal is the stable build while Windows Terminal Preview is preview build. You can download whichever you want. In this tutorial I am downloading Windows Terminal stable release. Click Get button. If you are not signed in using Microsoft account, you may get this type of pop-up. Just click No thanks to proceed. You can see that Windows Terminal download has been started. It will start installing after downloading is finished. The whole process will take hardly a minute if you have a decent internet speed. Launch and pin to start option will appear after Windows Terminal is installed. You can pin it, launch it, and do whatever you want. On clicking the launch button, Terminal app will launch. Now you can work on multiple tabs. You can work in PowerShell, Command Prompt and Microsoft Azure from a single app now. If you are a heavy command line user and works as server administrator, this terminal is going to increase your productivity many folds. You can customize the look and feel and add, edit, or delete profiles in settings easily. You can directly launch your WSL Linux stretch from Windows Terminal. To know more about WSL, Windows Subsystem for Linux and Windows Terminal, you can watch these two videos.